Hello, everyone. My name is Randy Carroll, and I'm the Director of Strategic Partnerships over here at Ruuster. And I want to walk you through real quickly how Rooster has become technology that actually cash flows on a monthly basis for many of our clients. On the screen, I've got here a mobile simulated version of our platform and a very specific section of the platform that has driven monthly cash flows for our clients has very specifically been the local services tab. This is a pretty incredible feature because it drives value long term for all of your clients when they're using your client portal through Rooster, because they're able to access all of the vendors that you recommend, not just the vendors recommended in the buying or selling process, like your traditional mortgage, insurance, warranty, maybe moving companies, but they can actually access your entire list of vendors, such as contractors, electricians, plumbers, roofers, tilers, kitchen remodelers, all of those vendors that your clients need to maintain and improve their home, they can find inside your Rooster client portal. So let's say I'm a client of yours and I'm tired of doing my own lawn care. So rather than going onto Google or Yelp or Angie's List and trying to trust some random Google review that I may or may not trust, I can pop open your client portal app, contact your lawn care company, or request they contact me, and you, as the agent, are actually going to know all of this. So on the client side of the platform, you're actually going to be able to see that your client initiated contact with your vendor from this specific list, let's say California, for example, and this specific vendor, Leonard Lawn Care, right? So now you get an email as well as a notification inside the app, and your clients are going to be receiving contact from your lawn care company. You can then use this as an opportunity to have your vendors pay you on a monthly basis to be featured inside your platform here. So we're really excited about this. This has been a huge success for many of our clients, not only helping cover their bill with us specifically, but also covering many of their other technology and marketing spends. So I wanted to cover that with you real quickly. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact me directly at randy@ruuster.com or go directly to ruuster.com, R-U-U-S-T-E-R. It's R-U-U-S-T-E-R.com, and book a demo to find out more. Thanks, everyone. Have a great time.